A well-built workbench with storage is a game-changer for any workshop. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional craftsman, or just need a sturdy space for your tools, the right workbench can enhance efficiency and organization. In this video, we'll explore the 7 best workbenches with storage that offer durability, functionality, and ample space for your projects. From heavy-duty steel frames to classic wooden designs, these workbenches are designed to keep your tools accessible and your workspace clutter-free. Let's dive into the top picks for the best workbenches with storage. Number 1. FlexiMounts Garage Storage Steel Workbench. The FlexiMounts Garage Storage Steel Workbench is an ideal choice for those looking for a sturdy and customizable workstation. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, this workbench is designed to support up to 1,000 olms, making it perfect for handling large tools, heavy-duty projects, and mechanical work. The solid rubber wood tabletop provides a smooth yet durable surface, resistant to scratches and daily wear. One of the standout features of this workbench is its adjustable height. You can easily modify the work surface to fit your needs, whether you're working while standing or sitting. This makes it an ergonomic choice, reducing strain during long hours of work. The powder-coated steel legs add extra stability, ensuring the workbench remains wobble-free even when handling tough tasks. In terms of storage, the spacious under-table area allows room for tool chests, bins, or additional storage racks. It's an excellent choice for garages, workshops, or industrial spaces where durability and flexibility are key. If you need a workbench that can handle both lightweight and heavy-duty tasks while offering plenty of workspace, the FlexiMounts Garage Storage Steel Workbench is a solid investment.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. PMC Supplies Wooden Workbench with Drawers. The PMC Supplies Wooden Workbench with Drawers is a perfect blend of classic craftsmanship and modern functionality. Made from solid hardwood, this workbench provides a stable and durable workspace, ideal for woodworking, jewelry making, or general crafting. The natural finish not only enhances its appearance but also makes it resistant to wear and tear over time. A key highlight of this workbench is its built-in storage drawers. With multiple drawers of varying sizes, it allows for easy organization of small tools, fasteners, and accessories. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who need quick access to their essential tools without cluttering the work surface. Designed with reinforced legs, this workbench offers superior stability, making it a reliable choice for precision work. The smooth wooden top provides a comfortable surface for delicate tasks while being sturdy enough for heavier projects. It's compact yet spacious enough for hobbyists and professionals alike. If you need a well-organized, durable wooden workbench that blends traditional design with practical storage, the PMC Supplies Wooden Workbench with Drawers is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone looking for a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to their workspace. Number 3. Leeshyah Wooden Toy Workbench with Drawers. The Leeshyah Wooden Toy Workbench with Drawers is a fantastic option for introducing young builders to hands-on learning. Designed for children, this miniature workbench offers a realistic workshop experience with a compact size that's safe and accessible for kids. Made from high-quality, non-toxic wood, it ensures durability and safety for little craftsmen. The workbench features multiple storage drawers, allowing kids to organize toy tools, screws, and other accessories easily. The drawers glide smoothly and are spacious enough to store all the included pieces without creating clutter. With a sturdy wooden construction, this workbench can withstand rough play while maintaining stability. One of the standout features is its interactive design, which includes a pegboard-style back for hanging toy tools and compartments for sorting. It encourages children to develop organizational skills and creativity, while engaging in imaginative play. For parents looking to introduce their kids to hands-on building and organization skills, the Leeshyah Wooden Toy Workbench with Drawers is an excellent option. It offers a fun yet educational experience, making it a great addition to playrooms or learning spaces. Number 4. Antifir 48 Workbench with Storage Drawers. The Antifir 48 Workbench with Storage Drawers is a versatile and durable choice for home workshops, garages, and professional spaces. With a 48-inch work surface, this workbench provides ample space for various projects, from woodworking to electronics repair. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and a hardwood tabletop, it offers a perfect balance of strength and smoothness. The high-quality wood surface is resistant to scratches and dents, ensuring long-term durability. The powder-coated steel legs add additional stability, preventing wobbling even under heavy loads. The built-in storage drawers are a key feature of this workbench. With multiple compartments, these drawers help keep essential tools organized and easily accessible. Whether you need to store hand tools, measuring instruments, or fasteners, this storage solution enhances efficiency. Designed for heavy-duty use, the Antifir 48 Workbench with Storage Drawers is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a sturdy, well-organized workstation that can handle demanding tasks. Number 5. Topass Workbench with Pegboard and Wheels. The Topass Workbench with Pegboard and Wheels is a highly functional and mobile solution for those who need flexibility in their workspace. Built with a durable steel frame and a solid woodwork surface, this bench is sturdy enough for demanding tasks while remaining easy to move thanks to its heavy-duty caster wheels. One of its most notable features is the integrated pegboard, which provides an organized way to store tools for quick access. Whether you're working with wrenches, hammers, or screwdrivers, the pegboard allows for efficient organization, saving valuable workspace. The lockable wheels ensure stability while working, preventing unwanted movement. When you need to move the bench to a different location, the smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless. For those who need a versatile mobile workbench with practical storage, the Topass Workbench with Pegboard and Wheels is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who need flexibility in their workspace without compromising durability. Number 6. DNA Motoring Wooden Workbench with Drawers. The DNA Motoring Wooden Workbench with Drawers is a premium choice for those who prefer a wooden workbench with ample storage. Crafted from high-quality hardwood, this bench is designed to withstand rigorous use while providing a smooth and sturdy work surface. The workbench features multiple storage drawers, making it easy to keep tools and accessories organized. The drawers are spacious and slide smoothly, providing easy access to frequently used items. With reinforced legs and a full-frame construction, this workbench offers excellent stability, even under heavy loads. The natural wood finish adds an elegant touch, making it suitable for professional and home workshops. If you're looking for a durable and well-organized wooden workbench, the DNA Motoring Wooden Workbench with Drawers is a great investment. It combines craftsmanship, functionality, and storage, making it a reliable addition to any workshop. Number 7. Olympia Tools 60 Workbench with 4-Drawer. The Olympia Tools 60 Workbench with 4-Drawer is a large, heavy-duty workbench built for those who need maximum workspace and storage. With a 60-inch tabletop, this workbench provides plenty of room for woodworking, metalworking, and other projects. Constructed with a reinforced steel frame and a hardwood top, this workbench is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks. The surface is scratch-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting durability. The 4 storage drawers offer ample space to organize tools, hardware, and accessories. The smooth sliding mechanism allows for easy access to stored items, keeping everything within reach. For those who need a spacious, well-built workbench with excellent storage, the Olympia Tools 60 Workbench with 4-Drawer is an ideal choice. Its robust design and generous storage options make it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. That wraps up our list of the 7 best workbenches with storage for your workshop. Whether you need a compact workbench for small projects or a heavy-duty workstation for serious tasks, there's a perfect option for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and workshop essentials. Thanks for watching.